Welcome! In today's video, we're going to learn how to view your QR code on Roblox. This feature is super handy for connecting with friends and sharing your profile quickly. Whether you're meeting up with friends in-game or want to make it easier for others to find you, knowing how to access your QR code can be a game changer. Let's dive into the steps. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your Android device. If you haven't logged in yet, do so to access all the features. Once you're on the main screen, look for the More option at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you can access a variety of options related to your account. After tapping More, you'll see a menu pop up with several selections. Here, tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can view your avatar, games, and friends. It's a great way to see everything you've accomplished in Roblox. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the QR code icon located at the bottom left of your screen. This icon is your key to sharing your profile easily. Tap on it, and your unique QR code will be displayed. This code represents your profile and can be scanned by others to connect with you instantly. Once you have your QR code open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a scan icon. If you tap this, you can quickly switch to scanning someone else's QR code if you want to connect with them as well. This two-way functionality makes it easy to share and connect with friends in the Roblox community. And there you have it. You've successfully viewed your QR code on Roblox. Now you can easily share your profile with others or scan their codes to connect. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.